G'day everyone, Connor McDonald here and welcome to India. Hi everyone, the word for today is very simple, that is hot. It is very hot here. I'm here in Ahmedabad. I'm halfway through the Yatra tour, the Oracle developer tour that goes throughout India. 10 cities in a couple of weeks. I'm not fortunate enough this year to be able to do all of them, but I'm doing a good chunk of them. But I thought I'd bring you out and show you the reality that is India, as well as talk about the tour. Let's go for a walk. So the joy of the Yatra tour is not just meeting the developers, the fact that you get to see the reality of India as well. It's a fascinating country, incredible colors, incredible culture, incredible food obviously, and the traffic is just always out of control. It's just on 40 degrees here today in Ahmedabad. I'm having a great time. We've done some talks on the autonomous database, upgrades, and of course migration to the cloud. But the good thing is the developer communities in India are incredibly passionate. There's not really those passive audiences that you might see around the world somewhere. Every time we finish a talk, the entire audience generally comes up. They want to say hello, they want to meet up, they want to connect on Facebook or Twitter, and they want to just have a chat about technology. They love talking tech, they love sharing their experiences, they love talking about where things have worked for them, where things have gone wrong. And the best part is, it helps us all grow as a community. I learn from them, they learn from me. And one of the really cool things I've seen about Yatra this year is we've got a really strong sense of women in technology attending these tours. We've got some fantastic women, fantastic students, all coming and speaking, just attending. But in some of the sessions I've been doing in terms of career advice for students, what we found is we get about 50% women in IT in these undergraduate careers. So I'm back at the venue now, hence the echo, but I thought I'd show you what the streets are like in India, and I'm going to get back to doing my next talk. But hopefully, if you ever get a chance to do one of these tours as a speaker, please come along to India. If you're watching this from India, please try to catch us in one of the other cities. We're there for the next couple of weeks or so. Go to ogyatra.in and you can get the details of all the cities, but hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.